Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Motorola Moto G10 is connected to the power but is not charging. First of all, remove the charging cable from your device and lock the screen of the smartphone and check the USB-C port. Check if it's clogged, so align it with flashlight or some basically some light, maybe with a lamp. Just check if there is any cloggage inside, and if you see anything, use either a soft brush or a non-conductive pick. Do not use any metallic tools, and carefully remove anything that could have got stuck in here, and then try reconnecting your smartphone to the charging cable. If it doesn't work, then try replacing your charging cable or your charging adapter, aka charging brick, and eventually the problem should be fixed. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.